Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah, and right now we are coming to another card for learning basics for Lenormand. So there will be certain words which we are going to write down in our journal so that when we are using for practice, we have the options to use the words, and which makes better sense for us to work things out, especially in terms of getting the answers to the questions in regards to Lenormand reading. So you know that I already have introduced myself, and you know I am a card reader, I'm a numerologist, I'm a seminar conductor, I do workshops, I do give online WhatsApp mini courses, long courses, and tarot reading or card reading, I take limited number of clients. Of course, you know why. Because of these work, at the same time energetic work, plus some energetic boundaries, because whatever work I do, I want to do it as best as possible for the person. Plus this is something that I would have to get my time out for it. That is why I'm making videos, so that I don't have to repeat it to others as well, so they would have at least some general idea. Now we go to the card Tower, which is number 19, and yes, dog was number 18. Tower is about official, something for a long time. That is, it also signifies longevity, sorry, the age, the long life. Okay, and it also says something about official. It also indicates solitary time, that is loneliness. So, and also it indicates billing. So Tower, in some cases I have noticed a Tower as an ego in some cases. So this is an optional information that you can take with you. You can write it down in regards to Tower and indications around it. If there are good cards around it, and if it is a health reading, which I do not do health reading, I do not yet do that, but I do give messages from Oracle in regards to health. In regards to health reading, if Tower came up with some positive cards around, it would be an indication of a good long life and good healthy life. But this is one of the things. There are variations which you need to be careful about. You need to understand about the culmination and assimilation of those energies. How do you read that? You have to be very careful about, because even when you are pulling in two cards and for understanding of it, you don't know the whole story. You have not completely started working with reading 3 cards or 5 cards or 9 cards or something like that. So I would suggest, just for learning sake, you can keep this information in your note or in your journal, just to get an idea, and when you develop more, you would get to know what it is about. Okay, so Tower, we have worked it out. It is about official contract as well. Loneliness, official contract, longevity, long life, isolation. Those are the things about Tower. And in my opinion, in some cases, I have seen it as ego too. So these are some basics. See you in the next card. Bye.